Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in Miami, actually Miami Beach, or even more specific, South Beach, Miami Beach, to walk along Ocean Drive with you guys. I just did a video on this side of the street showing off all the beautiful architecture of these old hotels, these Art Deco hotels that were built in the 1920s, 100 years ago. And that's a video that's going to be here on the New York channel, but I want to walk along the other side of the street now. It's going to be a different video to show you all the cafes and more of a people watching, socializing type of video, whereas the one I just did on this side of the street is more about the beautiful buildings. If you wonder what I'm doing here, well, I've been to Miami many times in the past. I haven't been here though in about 10 years. I'm currently on a cruise on the Norwegian Getaway, and we were supposed to go to Bermuda, but there was a hurricane in the path, so we diverted to Miami. Not a bad thing, especially since I know a little bit about this town and I want to show it off to you guys, those of you who haven't been here. So let's go across the street and take a look at these cafes and do some people watching, shall we? Now, I'm sure many of you are familiar with Miami Beach, but for those of you who aren't, South Beach is not your typical Miami. Miami is known for its skyscrapers, ultra-modern buildings, architectural wonders, beautiful, pristine beaches. Well, South Beach does have a beautiful beach, but it doesn't have any skyscrapers. These buildings are old and preserved. We're actually at the very northern end of Ocean Drive here in South Beach. We're heading south. We're going to pass a lot of cafes. We're also going to pass the Versace mansion. Gianni Versace was murdered, the designer, right on the steps of his mansion here on Ocean Drive. This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck. Ocean Drive is pretty during the daytime, but it's not as beautiful as it is at night when it's all lit up, all different colors, all these Art Deco buildings which are painted in pastel colors and lit with neon and stuff. It's really beautiful at night, but it ain't so bad looking during the daytime either. Looks like the Tides is going under some heavy renovation. All of these buildings obviously have been renovated over the years. They would never knock them down. I don't think they can knock them down. They're all historic landmarks. So it'll be interesting to see what this place looks like when they're done. By the way, if you've never been to South Beach and it's looking a little familiar to you, well, that's because it's been in countless movies, including several scenes from Scarface, as well as more recently, but not that recently, The Birdcage, a hilarious movie with Nathan Lane and Robin Williams. If you never saw that movie, and I'm pretty sure most of you have seen it, but if you haven't seen it, check it out. And it also shows off South Beach beautifully at night. Behind me is the Versace mansion, the Gianni Versace mansion, that famous designer who was killed right here on this sidewalk, or on the steps actually up to the mansion. It's now a restaurant, believe it or not. As I said earlier in the video, I've been to Miami countless times. I really can't count how many times I've been here. Ever since I was a little boy, I have a pretty good knowledge of this city, including the South Beach area. I made a lot of videos, and that knowledge came in handy because, well, this was an unexpected day here in Miami. The Norwegian Getaway, as I said, was avoiding a hurricane in Bermuda, so there were no excursions planned for Miami, but I brought my knowledge with me, and I got several videos coming up in the future from Miami Beach here. Very nice piece of real estate on Ocean Drive, directly across from the beach. What is it they say? Location, location, location. A beautiful mansion in a beautiful area. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Hey guys, don't forget to check out Dan Craft's New York fan page on Facebook. Dan Craft is better known in the New York community as Real Unc D. He started the page just recently, and there's some activity there already, so check it out. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you so much, Dan, for creating the page and all your time and effort. We all appreciate it. Thank you. Excuse me, is there anywhere to eat around here? The Estefans, like Gloria Estefan from the Miami Sound Machine, had a lot to do with the revitalization of South Beach down here. And as you can see, they're still doing their job. Again, these buildings really can't be appreciated on this side of the street, so check out that other video I did just this morning from the other side of the street. It really has some nice shots of these beautiful buildings. that's pretty much it for this side of the street on Ocean Drive in South Beach. Lots and lots of cafes, as you can see, and some beautiful architecture. The ocean's just steps away from here, and it's just a beautiful area. I'm gonna head towards the ship now. I've got to catch an Uber here at this intersection, and that'll bring me back to the Norwegian Getaway. I hope you enjoyed this walk. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys.
Hey everybody, check out the New York store. There's a link in the description below. Lots of cool New York swag, including t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies. We have teddy bears, coffee mugs, water bottles, stickers, tote bags. You name it, you'll find it at the New York store. Lots of cool swag. Check it out. There's a link in the description below. Thanks so much for visiting. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.